Okay, so I want to give them a rubric to help them monitor. So we've got what's our end goal? We've got the purpose. Now, what does it actually look like? 4 categories, 5 levels each, and put a column at the end. This is a best practice because this isn't something we use after the fact. This is something we give them before the bad behavior starts, or any behavior for that matter. This is something we introduce early, and then they have this as a tool to rate and monitor their own behavior. And put it in the format of I think I'm at whatever. Create it as a table because there are different types of rubrics. We want this one to be a table. At the end, we need something nice and positive. Okay, we want the student to reflect, and there's 2 things that we want them to reflect on. First is, here is something that I did well. Because it's not all just about how awful you are, you terrible kids. Every kid does something well. And we need to start finding those successes to build a sense of self-efficacy, self-confidence, and self-respect. All right, what she has done well, he or she has done well, and where do we want to go tomorrow? So let's see what help our AI tools can give us. And I'm doing this all in the same discussion because it's all building from that very first prompt and all the context and all that. So here we go. Let's get a rubric that the students can use to understand the expectations and monitor their own progress towards meeting them. Just like we do rubrics for content areas and everything else. All right, listening, using kind words, following directions, caring for people and property. Level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me see. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there it is over on the far side. I think I'm at level blank today, so the student can do it. I already see something that I need to add to this. Let's get back where we were. There we go. All right, student reflection. Something I did well, something I can do better.